Hey friends, it's B from TinyMCE, and I would like to take a few minutes and walk you through everything cool about our AI chat feature inside the new TinyMCE AI. We're going to start off our walkthrough of AI chat in the chat sidebar that appears on the right hand side of the editor interface. This is pretty similar to any sort of conversation you're going to have with an AI on a standalone platform, things like ChatGPT and Claude. We come here, we're welcomed by the chat, by the AI. We can type our prompts in here. The prompts, we're unlimited on what we can ask. We can ask it to go find additional research on things. If we told it to go search the web here, if we wanted it to use advanced reasoning, we could select that.
We also have an auto mode that uses a default model well optimized for TinyMCE use cases.
You can limit this. You can choose the models you want your users to have, or you can just have one model and run with that. You can also add in additional context from other documents, links on the web, other files. These are documents we have kind of loaded up in our system. The file would allow you to load up a file from your laptop. And then the chat has full document awareness. So it can read this entire document. It can change formatting, which is something that you can't do with ChatGPT or Claude. And it can help you manage the look and feel, the tone, everything about this document. It's a true collaborator as opposed to just a little collection of tools. So first thing we're going to do is maybe ask the AI to summarize the document for us. It's going to think for a second and then give us a nice little summary of things that have gone on there. How about turn these bullet points into a Slack post? It will run through that and give you something easily that you could pop into Slack from there. Now, in terms of formatting and editing, we could ask it to change something structurally about the document. Let's go with change all H2 headers to H3. It's going to think about that. And then we will see, it's not just going to go in there and make changes. And that's what most people are used to when they are working with an external LLM, right? You do a thing, it changes the content, and then you have to do that copy paste shuffle where you're bringing things into your main app and then probably spending at least twice as long, if not longer, trying to get it to look the way you want it. Here, you ask for changes and the system will then show you what it's proposing. And individually, you can come in here and accept them. It'll come down to this one. You can skip all or skip remaining, apply remaining. We're going to do that here and save a little bit of time. The last thing I want to show you is the chat history. Every conversation that happens with a particular document is saved. And this is multiple users using this document. So I could see what other people have done when they've queried AI with the document. And then I can also go back to what I've done. And then I can, pick up a conversation from where I left off and continue work from there. And that's our walkthrough for AI Chat inside TinyMCE AI. If you want to learn more about the feature, head on over to tiny.cloud, read through the feature descriptions on our main page. You can head to docs, deep dive into everything you need, code samples to get you up and running. Also, sign up for a 14-day free trial. You can take this feature for a test drive as well as all of our other pretty amazing paid features. And then don't forget to come back to this channel for additional content on the other two features inside the AI toolset, quick actions and AI review, as well as videos on initial configuration and more advanced customization from a good friend, Mr. Fred Harper, in our DevRel department. We'll see you soon.